Yes, of course. Do you remember what that's for? What? No, it's not lipstick.
Yes, it is.
It's for my eyes. Oh, I love how you got the stool. No, it's for my eyelashes.
Eyelashes?
Yeah. This is her new favorite thing, is doing my makeup. Okay,
Close
it's on
your
her.
eyes.
Okay. Yeah.
Mommy, I
I look beautiful?
Yeah.
I think my brightness is turned down. Oh, yeah, it was. Okay. So, we're going to ask you some questions. Elizabeth, or I guess I gave it away, but what's your name? Elizabeth Bergeron, that's right. And how old are you? 2 years old, that's right. So let's see. Let's type questions to ask a toddler. I'm hoping my husband remembers to call the host phone.
You ready?
Yes, I'm ready. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Can Mommy ask you some questions?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's see. What do you like to draw? Elizabeth, what do you like to draw?
No.
No.
See?
It's for my eyelashes.
Okay.
Are those Mommy's eyelashes?
Yeah.
Thought those were Mommy's eyebrows. Feels really chunky. Yeah. What makes you happy?
No.
You don't know? What makes you sad?
Cool.
School?
Hmm.
Why does school make you sad?
I don't know.
You don't know? What makes you laugh? Michelle?
Yeah.
That's her teacher's name. How old are you? 2 years old. How old is Mommy? I'm 1?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. How old is Daddy?
2.
2.
That's your eyebrows?
No, that's for under my eyes.
And your eyes?
Under.
Okay.
Do you know what under is?
Yeah.
But that's not under. That's on. Yeah. Under. Where's under my eyes? Okay. I hope that doesn't burn. What is your favorite thing to do?
I don't know.
You don't know.
I like to do your makeup.
Yeah? What do you want to be when you grow up? What, Elizabeth, what do you want to be when you grow up?
Dad.
Daddy? What are you really good at?
Colors.
Colors?
Yeah.
What is your favorite food?
I don't know.
You don't know. What is your favorite song?
It's a lipstick.
Yeah.
It's lipstick.
Yeah, it's lipstick?
Yeah.
Oh,
From mommy lips.
oh okay.
Oh. It's it. It's do. It's do it.
Mm.
Do you know me?
Mm-hmm.
I like beautiful.
I look beautiful?
Yeah.
Oh, thank you. Let's see. What is your favorite song?
I don't know.
Is it
Singing.
singing? What do you want for your birthday next year?
I don't know.
You don't know?
It's all a bit. So, right there.
What does Mommy do for work?
Play toys with me.
Play toys with you?
Yeah.
I mean, I guess it's kind of like, that's not really what I do for work. I do, I mean, you're not totally wrong.
Ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. What does Daddy do for work?
Eyelashes?
No, that's lipstick. Yeah. What does, oh.
I love you too.
I love you.
With you.
Elizabeth, what does Daddy do for work? Play with toys with you? Is Mommy an architect?
Yeah.
Yeah. Where do you live?
My house.
At your house? Yeah. Where is your favorite place to go?
Yeah, right.
Where is your favorite place to go?
You are ready? You are ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
What is it? What is it?
That's lip gloss.
Let's go.
Yeah.
So your eyeballs?
No, that's for my lips.
Your lips?
Yeah.
And they're beautiful.
Thank you. Okay, let's see. Where is your favorite place to go? Elizabeth, where is your favorite place to go? You don't know? What is the best part about going swimming? And yeah, and you do go swimming at Aunt Trisha's. But what is the best part? What is the best part about going swimming?
No.
You don't know.
What's this?
Yeah, we're not gonna, that's concealer, but we're not gonna use concealer or foundation today, okay?
For Mommy.
Yeah. Let's see. Mommy's trying to let her Bobos breathe and get better. What is your favorite toy?
Don't know.
You don't know? What is your favorite thing about bathtub? Or bath time?
Team.
Yeah, that's cream. Elizabeth, what is your favorite thing about bath time?
It's lipstick.
Yeah.
It's lipstick.
Do you just want to take the, here, Elizabeth, why don't you just take the whole makeup bag out? Would that be easier?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Of course.
Of course. Okay.
I really take a bag.
Yeah.
I really take a bag.
Yeah.
I really take Mommy eyelashes.
Yeah. That's lip gloss.
Lip gloss.
Yep. What are your...
You ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Your makeup?
Yeah, I'm ready for you to do my makeup.
Lip gloss your lips.
Yeah. Lip gloss is for your lips.
For Mommy.
Mm-hmm. Let's see. Elizabeth, what is your favorite books? Do you have a favorite book?
Yeah.
What's your favorite book? Actually, we're not going to use this one because Mommy had a very hard time trying to get this off. It sticks. If you ever use the Stay Matte liquid lip color, this thing don't go nowhere. Even when you're trying to get it off. Elizabeth, what is something Mommy always says to you?
I don't know.
You don't know? What does Mommy always say?
Yeah.
No. What is something Daddy always says to you?
No.
What does Daddy always say to you? Nothing? What is love? Yeah, what is it?
Like this.
That's for my eyebrows.
eyebrows.
But you already did my eyebrows, see? So I don't think we need to use this one and blend it into my mascara.
Please.
Okay, but use it on my eyebrows.
Okay.
Where's Mommy's eyebrows?
Right there.
Okay.
You ready to do your makeup?
Yep, I'm ready for you to do my makeup.
What? You ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Your eyebrows?
Yeah, my eyebrows.
And they beautiful.
Thank you. Elizabeth, what is love? What is it? Do you know?
No.
You don't know. Alrighty, those are 25 questions to ask your toddler.
That's yours.
Alrighty, I'm gonna be silent now
That's yours.
because my daddy's gonna be calling any minute. Hopefully he'll call the house phone and yeah. I'll let you do my makeup. Alrighty, so I'm off the phone with Richard. This is the final look. And this is, yeah, makeup done by my 2-year-old. Okay, see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys. Okay, we say bye, guys.
Bye, guys. Bye, guys.
Thanks for watching.
Bear watching. Don't forget to watch. No puppets.